Okay, hello. Nag-avail pala ako ng IronSpeak from MGI. Ito po yung eyeglass niya, sunglass, GS09 model. Black. Meron din siyang brown na sunglass din. MGI, Mega Gloriang International Philippines IronSpeak. Susubukan ko lang kung effective ba, kung nakagagamot ba talaga ito sa mga malalabong mata, kasi di-claim maraming benefits ang magsuot ng IronSpeak medical eyewears. At ito naman yung yung eyeglass ko galing sa EO Optical. So nagsusuot na talaga ako ng salamin dahil malabo na ang aking mata. Okay, so ating subukan ng malaman kung totoo ba yung kiniklaim nila na marami ng napagaling na malalabo ang mga mata. Okay. Ang MGI Medical Eyewear and Technology. MGI IronSpeak is a medical eyewear contains high concentration of negative ions. These negative ions provide a cooling, soothing, and relaxing effects that will affect our retina in reflecting a more clear and sharp images to our brain. It also emits for infrared that helps in the improvement of blood circulation, metabolism, and prevention of eye diseases. Yan po. So, yan po yung brochure niya. Ito po yung binabasa ko. So, yan, IronSpeak Medical Eyewear. So, ang model na kinuha ko dyan is yung GS09. So, wala ring mawawala kung susubukan natin. Ito na po yung MGI IronSpeak Medical Eyewear uses nanotechnology in implanting the elements of negative ions, far infrared and nano silver onto the frames that is truly beneficial to all users. Benefits of wearing MGI IronSpeak Medical Eyewear: preventing and reducing radiation, enhancing oxygen supply to eyes and brain, relieving migraine and headache, reducing sinusitis, reducing vertigo, reducing free radicals, resisting premature aging, clinically proven to relieve various eye disorders such as eye strain, dry eyes, myopia, hypermetropia, astigmatism, glaucoma, cataract, retinopathy, maculopathy, floater, lazy eyes, and other eye disorders. Yun po ang mga benefits niya. So, nag-try ako ng avail. So, Mega Gloriang International is a company that manufacture IronSpeak medical eyewear, healthy apparels, and other health products that are helpful for health therapies. It uses nanotechnology and innovation concerned with building things, generally materials and devices. On the scale of atoms and molecules, a nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. Aside from this, Mega Gloriang International also opens an opportunity to financial independence with unlimited income potentials to everyone by fostering the best network marketing system, combining 5 latest business trends. So, ito na po yung products niya. So, I hope na magbibigay ako ng testimonies kung talagang effective nga ba. So tignan natin. So we'll see. Okay, and that's all. Until next time. Okay. MGI Ion Speak.